Hello, this is Diatech with the part 4 of the Scania build, and just finally with a voice because I was really tired adding those subs in every video. So let's get into it. So this part will be regarding the chassis of my Scania truck. So this in front of you is a B14 from WPL that I will modify to be compatible with my truck. The things change. The first thing that I've changed is I have added a tire over here. Actually bought it just for the axle, and I thought I will choose just this axle and make the frame myself, but later on I decided to use the whole chassis with the modifications. So the changes done, first one is I have added this extra tire, and the second one is I have changed the transmission and remove it the front drive shaft and make it rear wheel drive. The reason for changing the transmission is that I wanted it to be a little bit slow and more torquey, so that's what this transmission is doing over here. Let's talk about the front. Now in the front I had to add width to the wheelbase like this. So these are the spacers that I have made. These are actually the version 2.2. They have a little, you can say, adjustment part over here that help me to add camber if I want. No, this is looking bullshit. सारा मजा खराब हो गया. You know what I mean, right? Okay, so the front drive shaft is removed. Still, I am trying my best to use as much of the original parts as I can with a little bit of modification. So as the width was increased, I have to change this one, and this thing has its own story as well. This wood piece over here is just to hold the cable down onto the chassis. So for the electronics part, I am using, this is called a Dago Mini Drive. These are actually the side skirts that I made, and I will show you the model as well for this one. So I like them, pretty simple and nice looking. So these are the back lights. These are actually 3mm LEDs. One is for the indicators, one is for the reverse, and two for the brake lights, and that's all. Lot of soldering. These are actually really small. Took me quite time to solder all this. My soldering skills are not that good. You can actually check them from one of the videos as well. So much heads, and I should not be doing this. Already have very less watch hours, very less subscriber, and the one that exists might run away.